Welcome to MindStream Analytics EPM Knowledge Series, providing practical tips and useful advice for Oracle Hyperion customers. Each snippet is a short, focused presentation on a specific topic of interest. My name is Leanne Spencer, and today's focus is how to measure success for your EPM project. A lot of people focus their success criteria on project-related items, such as on time, on budget, achieving proper scope, and these are certainly good. Better, though, is if your success criteria are tied to business objectives. Things like reducing your monthly close cycle, being able to forecast more frequently or in greater levels of detail. These are areas where you're really starting to show more value. Best of all is if you recognize that those success criteria really can differ by each stakeholder or groups of stakeholders that you have in your company. You should really define and align your success criteria with those individual audiences. At a minimum, we see EPM projects typically having an executive sponsor, corporate finance or project team, end users, as well as IT stakeholders. You may have others. If it's a consolidation project, you may have regional controllers, or perhaps you have segment leaders. So include as many as are appropriate. The way to go about that is to define your success criteria for each group of stakeholders. For example, an executive sponsor may be looking for better visibility into overall results, but the corporate finance team, their measurement of success is more around the level of effort that it takes to generate those results. If you ask end users, they don't really care. They just want to have easy access to those results, and typically in an ad hoc Excel type format. Your IT stakeholders are really more concerned with the controls, security, compliance considerations that are in place while you're generating those results. So you can see that your different audiences are definitely looking for different types of wins from your project. You should be aligned with those. When you define your success criteria, you need to keep each of those audiences in mind, and you need to measure things that are going to be important to them. For example, your executive sponsor who wants better visibility into operating results, well, what does that mean? How do you know if you'll achieve that? Oh, if they can get a P&L by operating segment to supplement the P&L by legal entity, that is their measurement of success. Great. Corporate finance team, you may be looking at number of data entry hours saved or less time spent with auditors. For end users, you want to measure the timeliness of their data or their satisfaction using the reporting tools in the system. IT, you can always find measurements around the amount of time that they no longer have to spend on application support. So your success criteria, this is what your success is going to be judged by. You want to make sure that you're defining measurable criteria. Now, those criteria can be both quantitative and qualitative, and you should look for opportunities to include both. Some are pretty obvious, the cost of labor, the cost of turnover and training, audit fees, etc. But the value add analysis and better data quality and confidence in the numbers and ability to identify trends and important value add tasks for the business, that also can be quantified and measured. That's one of the things that MindStream will help you do. If you're interested in pursuing this further, please contact us for a personalized success factors workshop. We'll help make sure that you engage your stakeholders in the process, that your success criteria are linked to business objectives, and that you're really increasing your opportunity to measure and prove the ROI. Please contact us at info@mindstreamanalytics.com. If you would like additional topics, please check out the rest of our EPM knowledge snippets, and that can be found on our website or YouTube channel. Thank you so much for attending.